Hello, ladies and gentlemen, crypto deep divers. Welcome back to Weekly Crypto. So today I'm going to touch on Bitcoin, also some cryptocurrency trading platform got hacked. They use the GoDaddy hosting service, by the way. And of course, I'm going to do some update about Kucoin exchange as well. So before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. So for my Patreon member, I just post a video about silver. And if you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. Also, you shouldn't miss the Ethereum pump. We anticipate the pump anyway. I talked about that last Tuesday. If you're interested, you can join my Patreon group. And just in case you haven't installed the Brave browser, you can check it out. And it is actually serving the internet much faster, block out advertising. If you're interested, you can click the link below. That will also help on my channel as well. So let's talk about Bitcoin. So Bitcoin right now is at all-time high. Everybody talking about it. CNBC talking about it, and BlackRock also talk about it in CNBC, right? And everybody is shilling Bitcoin at this time right now. I don't think it's a good time to buy at this level. I could be wrong, but we are at all-time high at this time. And also the Bitcoin on-chain activity is also all-time high. You look at the all-time, it's almost near, almost very near to the 2017 level in December 27, even surpassed the June 2019. If you still remember June 2019, Bitcoin pumped all the way from 6K to 14K in a very short period of time. I think in less than 3 weeks or something like that. And then it go back down. So right now we're at all-time high. So and a lot of people probably argue, hey, right now, because there's high demand on it, and then it bump up the price, and then you have MicroStrategy, you have a whole bunch of celebrity come out and saying all these good things about Bitcoin. But the thing is, when everybody talk about it, you should go to the opposite direction. And you can see right now we are in extreme greed, which is like 94, which is extremely high. If you still remember, back in 2019, right? In 2019, June 2019, we are almost 95. We are at that high level right now. And so I think it's better to have a correction, more healthy correction, rather than keep pumping and pumping. And also, yeah, so that's my thinking. I mean, you don't buy stuff when it's extreme greed. It's a good time to sell, not to buy, to be honest with you. I could be wrong as well. So let's talk about some cryptocurrency trading platform basically got hacked, and they are hosting on the GoDaddy hosting service. And I think this is the trading platform, cryptocurrency trading platform, Liquid.com, got attacked on around November 13, and they are hosting on the GoDaddy the hosting providers GoDaddy, and then I think they pretend to be the owner or whatever, and then they change the DNS record, and then it redirect to another location, and then they take control of the internal email account. Also, they penetrate the Liquid.com infrastructure and also gain access to the document storage. So which is not good. If you are a Liquid.com user, you will be a little bit scared right now because you don't know if your personal data, if your account, all these things could be compromised. So I don't know. So right now, if you go to Liquid.com, you cannot even go to that website. So another thing I cannot emphasize enough, if don't leave anything onto the exchange. If this is not if you don't hold a private key, you don't hold a token. And you can argue saying that, some of the lending platform, you have to go to that platform and then lend out your Ethereum, lend out your Bitcoin, blah, blah, blah. But the thing is, like, at this time, I don't think I would do that at this time because there's so much fraud involved. And also, if the website go down, you will never be able to recover your money, right? So I know you can lend out your token, you can earn like 6% or whatever interest, but is it worth it? I don't think it's worth it at this time until they have more solid trading platform. Then we'll be better off. So I don't know. So right now, let's see. So also, because I think some of the platform, like I think Voyager and some other places, if you sign up, you need to provide your social security number and all that. But the thing is, I'm concerned with all these things. For example, your personal data, identity theft, and everything. That is not a good idea. And another thing is go to a large exchange. I know it's important to be decentralized at this time, blah blah, and all that. But the thing is, if you're using a small exchange, if they can go under very quickly as well, right? And also more the exchange has more reputation. Like Gemini is the Winklevoss twins, So they are basically some type of celebrity. So if things go under, people are chasing after them. So you know where to look to those two guys. So some people that are not very well known, probably not a good idea to use them. So anyway, Gemini. So in case you have a Gemini account, you can check it out. So another thing is another platform got hacked is also cryptocurrency mining service NiceHash on November 18. Also on the GoDaddy hosting service as well, and also they changed their domain name, the domain registration record, the DNS. So the DNS basically is the place where they host the website, the platform, right? So they changed the DNS, basically going to the hacker website, server, and then they can gain access to everything. So NiceHash immediately frozen all the customer funds for 24 hours to prevent the attacker from transferring the funds. As well as verify they have restored the original domain setting, and of course they advise their client to change their password and activate the 2FA security as well. But the thing is, if the whole domain name service domain name should send to a redirect to another server, they basically I mean they can gain access to your account, and then they can activate your 2FA as well, right? Isn't it? Well, when they log in, they can go in there and then scan the cell phone with the 2FA, right? So I don't know. So it sounds scary. So just be careful out there. Just don't leave anything in the exchange. Transfer once you trade. Transfer everything out of the exchange and back to your wallet. This is a very good habit, right? And for me, sometimes I forgot and I left it in the exchange. But if it's large amount of crypto, it's not worth it, man. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is Kucoin exchange. Kucoin, if you still remember, got hacked about 281 million back in September, and then they froze all the deposit and withdrawn. And right now they resume the services, and none of the customer money got lost because they have the insurance to cover for it. And so I cannot emphasize enough once again. After you finish trading, just transfer the token out of the exchange to your wallet. So it's not worth it. And I think let's see. Its most scary part is the hacker also obtained the private key of the centralized exchange hot wallet, and then they gain control over vast quantities of Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tron, XRP, Stellar Lumen. I mean, Tron, it doesn't matter, it doesn't worth much, right? But Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, it worth quite a bit. And as of October 7, exchange has recovered some of the 200 million stolen fund, and then they try to identify who is the hacker. But cybercrime is difficult to identify the hacker. To be honest with you, is right. So let me know what you think. Do you leave your token in the exchange or you transfer out of the exchange after you trade? Let me know what's your habit, like what do you usually do. Comment below. I would love to hear from you. And what do you think about the price of Bitcoin? Do you think it will go even higher? And there's a whole bunch of whale alert as well. I think you guys can go and look at it, right? There's a Y fee from unknown wallet to Binance. 675 Bitcoin transfer from unknown wallet to Coinbase. Are they going to sell it? I don't know. That is 3 hours ago. So I think it's a good price to sell too, right? And then, or are they going to do some, I don't know, price manipulation, pricing, I don't know. And then 19 million Tether transfer from Tether Treasury to Binance. So what are they going to do? There's a lot of Tether. So Tether is pretty shady to me. So I don't know why they have so many Tether transfer to Binance. What are they trying to do. So there's a lot of activity right now in terms of the Bitcoin, and then you have Rep BTC as well, YFI as well, and then Rep BTC as well. Let me know what you think. I would love to hear from you. And if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, also share with your friends. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out the upcoming video that could be time sensitive. Also, you can follow me on Twitter, library.tv, as well as Patreon. And of course, smash the like button and subscribe and comment. That will help my ranking in YouTube. And remember, crypto deep divers, we the people take control of our money. Stay wise, stay safe, peace. I'm not your financial advisor. Investing in cryptocurrency, commodity, and stock market can have inherent risk. Please use your due diligence. And this video is only for entertainment and informational purposes, not a financial advice. Please consult with your financial planner. Peace out.